Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So this is Survival Seeds 2025 Herbal collaboration. So this is hosted by Charles from Bushcraft Family, and the three herbs this year is hyssop, oregano, and lemon balm. And I love my herbs and everything, but I'll have to get them again. As I had said in the previous video, all my seeds are in storage now, so I was like, starting over. Maybe the Lord has a reason for that. You just never know. Sometimes, maybe something was something or another, and now we gotta start over again. So that's okay. I know people. I run seeds all the time and everything, and I was like, oh my goodness, all the seeds I won and was given to me is all in storage now. But my dill did grow. So I need to go harvest some more. And when I was, Lisa from Yogi Hollow Farm said when it goes to seed, just shake it and everything, and it will reseed itself. So I'm excited to do that too, because I was just like, oh, that'd be so cool. So far, I got some stuff still growing out there and in the cold. But we're going to see how well it does when it snows, though. Because it's supposed to snow Thursday and Friday. Hey. And then next week, maybe a white Thanksgiving. And the week after that, you just never know around here. So, with the herbs, I am in zone 6. There used to be 6A and they said 6B, but the USDA has just said 6 now. So, as I was saying, I'm Nancy, and Our Treasure Home is our channel. I'm in Ohio, which is considered the Midwest. My growing season, even for the herbs, is from March to October. At least, we start inside, and then you transfer outside. I do have growing lights. They're in storage. So, this is one of those things. But the way I look at it is when we get a house, I'm all prepared for that now. But I still gotta get more now so next year. So like I said, the hyssop, oregano, and lemon balm are for the herbs. What I want to do with my herbs, I want to dehydrate them and have them for throughout the year and everything, instead of have to buy them at the store. I am really looking forward to doing some more herbs this year. Especially my dill, since, oh my goodness, that fresh dill, it smells so good. So I was like, I can get that because it stays in the same spot and in the same pot and everything. So I can harvest that and then let go to seed and have more dill for next year. So that's one I'm doing extra. And then my sage, even though it's little itty bitty, I want to keep that going also. So I'm just super excited to sit there and be part of Survival Seeds 2025. I had so much fun last year, and I'm looking forward to this year. I'm looking forward to next year. Your mind thinks faster than your mouth talks, or your mouth talks faster than your mind talks. Have I had that happen? I do it all the time. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.